All right, guys, today I'm going to be showing you how EzAlgo V5 looks on stocks. This has been a pretty common question recently. People curious about how the algo works on stocks, and believe it or not, it actually works the best I've found on stocks, right? Reason being that charts are usually a lot smoother, and especially on a lower time frame, if you're trying to trade options, for example, these signals are really on point. And I'm going to go through a little bit and show you guys some different stocks and ETFs. I'm on the 2-hour time frame currently on the 3 sensitivity, and you can see that we're starting to turn bullish. Okay, the SPY is starting to turn bullish, but we're still bearish on the higher time frames. And if you're curious what inputs the trend dashboard uses, this is based off the 144 EMA. So when price is above the 144 EMA, it'll show bullish, and when price is below the 144 EMA, it'll show bearish, right? So that's also another way to mitigate false signals, which I can make a video on soon. But especially if you're on a higher time frame, only take sell positions when you're under the 144 EMA, and only take buy positions when you're above. And if you go and back test it, it's super accurate. But this is how EzAlgo looks on the SPY. And yes, I am using Heikin-Ashi candles, which I would actually recommend if you're on a higher time frame. And this is 3 sensitivity, right? And now let me show you what it looks like when you throw the EzAlgo SR on. So you can just see price respects these zones super well, especially when you're on a higher time frame. And let me actually turn this trend dashboard off because we don't need that right now. So you'll be able to see we're actually approaching this resistance zone here on the 2-hour time frame. So what I'd be looking for from here is some sort of rejection right here, maybe forming a double top, or if we could actually break out of this resistance and reclaim and look for a long on that retest. So those are some ideas currently for the SPY. Let's go down to a lower time frame and see how the algo works on a lower time frame. Now, most of you should know this by now, but if you don't, we don't take trades solely off of the buy and sell signals, right? And most algos, they're going to tell you, just trade the buy and sell signals at a certain time of the day. I actually saw someone say that, right? They said, only take the buy and sell signals on a 5-minute time frame at a certain part of the day and you'll be profitable. It doesn't actually work like that, right? Now, can you become profitable just taking the buy and sell signals? Yes, you can get lucky in a smooth market, and you can profit off of those buy and sell signals, right? Which is actually a strategy that we have. But for the most high probability trade, you want to wait for price to come to a support zone. And that's why we've added these support zones here on EzAlgo, which you can toggle on and off as well if you just want the lines. But the zone helps you visualize where the buyers and sellers are in the market a little bit better. And you can see that price just respects the hell out of these zones, even on a 5-minute time frame. And you can use the buy and sell signals as confirmation, right? All right, and this is how the algo looks on Tesla on the 15-minute time frame. You can see we're in this kind of ranging market right now with these pretty defined lows and these pretty defined highs up here, right? We broke below, retested underside test of this resistance zone right here, and we came back down, right back down to this EzAlgo support level, and now we're currently bouncing. So with the new V5 update, your main trading strategy could just be taking buy and sell positions at these levels, right? That's how accurate they are. And that's also one of our strategies that we're going to post in the Discord, is just taking bullish candles off support zones and just taking bearish candles off of resistance zones. So if I go to the standard candles, you'll be able to see, and you can see we have this reversal signal here, and then this buy signal reclaiming the support level, right? So it's a retest of support. This is another one of our strategies, is taking the buy signal right at the support level and targeting the resistance zones as our take profits, right? And look at that's a beautiful trade. This is a almost 15% trade, right? In the span of a couple days, right? Trading a stock. So no leverage or anything. And if I go to a higher time frame, like the 30-minute time frame, you can see how the algo performs. Obviously, if you're below the 144 EMA, you're probably going to want to take these sell signals. So you wouldn't be taking any of these buy signals since we are in a clear downtrend. And a new feature on V5 to help determine what trend you're in is the swing points. So if you check this on in the inputs tab, right, the show swing points, it'll give you these lower high, higher low, lower high. So you know that you're in a downtrend or uptrend. and know what positions to actually take. Also, I'm going to turn the trend ribbon on because the trend ribbon does a great job of kind of adding another sense of confluence. So something else you can do is take trades on the trend ribbon flip, right? You can take trades like this. When the trend ribbon flips with a buy signal, that's when you can enter the trade. So there's a ton of different ways to trade with EzAlgo on stocks. And you can see it called this meta dump perfectly before it happened with this sell signal. And price just dumped, 27%. We are getting some reversal signals as well as a mild EzAlgo buy signal. So from this point, I would expect us to come up a little bit, possibly test this resistance zone, and then look for shorts to come back down, or if we get to reclaim, flip, and enter on the retest. This is how EzAlgo looks on stocks. And let me do one more thing. I'm going to go to the 3-day time frame, and I'm going to turn on the Japanese candlesticks, right? So we're getting the real price, so you guys know how legit this is. And we're going to turn the sensitivity up to 6. This is a strategy you can use to monitor your long-term holdings, right? So if you're investing in stocks for the long term, you don't just want to hold through bear markets. That's not very smart, because you could be up, let's say 3x in your investment portfolio, and then a bear market hits like it did back in October of last year, and you would have been bag holding this, right? You would have been bag holding, and you'd be down currently 75%. That's not very smart. So what you can actually do on EzAlgo is go to a higher time frame, like the 2-day, 3-day time frame on the 6 sensitivity, and you can actually create alerts for these buy and sell signals to notify you on these higher time frames, so you're not bag holding through a bear market and you're able to buy back in on time. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.